And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free songs on VideoStar. So what you're going to need to do is, first thing you're going to do is, like on here, you don't really need any apps. The only app you need is VideoStar. So what you need to do is you have to go to Messages. No, to Contacts, I'm sorry. Contacts. There's Contacts. You're gonna press Add. And you just have to make your own contact. And you're gonna put in your email. So yeah, hold on. Okay, so now that you've done that, you're just gonna press Done. So then you're just gonna, so that's just gonna be yours. So you're gonna go to Camera. You're gonna record the video that you want, the music that you want. So that's mine. You're gonna just gonna press this little button right here, right there. You're gonna press Message. You're gonna put in the name that you put, and then you're just gonna put Send. You're gonna go to Message, and then so it's sending, and you're just gonna wait for it to send. Okay, so now that it was sent, you're just gonna press it. You're gonna press it again, and up here it's gonna show like this thing again, and you're just gonna push it. You're gonna slide, and you're gonna press Open to VideoStar. Now it's gonna leave. And you're gonna press Make Video, and you can just make the video. And then here's your video. So thank you for watching my video. To upload more videos like this, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below if this worked for you. So thank you guys, and also I think it only works on iPhone and Apple. So like the Apple iPads and the iPhone. So yeah. So thank you guys. Bye.